Hello, it's your girl CG OnTrend, and I'm back today with a new video. If you're new to my channel in good old Texas fashion, hey y'all, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and next time, bring a friend. Okay guys, this video is going to be a Shoedazzle 70% off boot haul, in addition to a collective shoe haul of some shoes that I have picked up between November until now, and it includes like a pair of shoes I got for Christmas. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I don't want this to be a really long video. I know I've been skipping out on videos from y'all, but last week was a busy week. So this week I'm going to create content for you guys so that you don't have to wait for it. Okay, so to begin, I don't really have a lot of tennis shoes. Like, I don't consider myself a tennis shoe girl. So I really don't buy a lot of tennis shoes, but I said I was going to try to beef up my collection, and not with like expensive tennis shoes because, like I said, I don't wear them that often to just be buying expensive tennis shoes. So I was in Burlington Coat Factory one day, and I don't know if you guys remember the brand Pony. I know we used to wear them back in the day. Like, I'm from Louisiana, so we used to wear them, you know, to school. Everybody had ponies, and that was the shoe back then. So I found these cute little black ponies. They're all black, and they have like the pony right here at the tongue, and they're just like a little slip-on sneaker, and the shoestrings just help to tighten the shoe. But I got these, and I thought they were so cute. So they would be a cute little asset to any little, you know, sporty little outfit, or just to wear around quick running errands. But I picked these up because I thought they were really cute. So I got the black ponies. I also got them in this pretty yellow color. Now y'all, this is a really pretty color. This yellow is so pretty and so vibrant. This will make any outfit pop. And you see it has the pony here in black. So I want to say that these shoes were about $19.99 for both pair. Each. And I just love them. Like, what do y'all think? So I picked these up to add a pop of color to any outfit. So one day I was in Ross, and I was like, okay, let me see what kind of shoes they got in Ross, you know, because I'm always in Ross looking for random stuff. So guess what, ladies and gents? I found a red pony sneaker. And here's the other one. And it's just all red. The pony is in red. And then it has this kind of clear plasticky bottom, but I really do like these. I don't remember how much these were because I've worn them, but I think they were probably like $16.99. But again, I got them at Ross. These ponies came from Ross, and I thought they would be a cute little asset to my tennis shoe collection. Also, when I was in Ross, I found a pair of Pumas. And this is what they look like. It's a maroon Puma, and it has the peanut butter bottom. And I just thought these were really cute. I like a different tennis shoe. I mean, so to speak, if you want tennis shoes, you just don't want to go for the shoe that everybody has. I know everybody's into these Jordan 1s, which I have a pair of those too, but that's just not my go-to shoe. I like shoes that add color to your outfit, and you can kind of, you know, let that be the staple. So I picked these up. And these were about $24.99 at my local Ross. So y'all check out Ross, because sometimes they have really cute little shoes. And I like Pumas. And I had to get them in an 8.5 because I don't think they had an 8, but it fits fine. Another pair of tennis shoes that I got, I was out Christmas shopping, and I was in a Nike clearance center. And I just picked these up, and I've already worn these. But they are just and let me tell you what they are. They are the Nike Court Burrow Lows. Low 2 is what it is. And I can wear a kid's shoe. So this is a 6.5 in youth. And this shoe was $24.99. So don't forget, if you have a Nike clearance center in your area, go check them out because you can get really discounted, cute little Nike. So I got these all white ones. Because I have an all white Air Max, but I didn't have anything that looked like this or kind of like resembled an Air Force One. So this was the closest thing to that. And I like them. My daughter was like, Mama, why are you getting those? But I'm like, I'm 44 years old. Like, this is fine. I don't have to have a Air Force One. So yeah, I got these. I like these. Now I'm going to get into like more of a combat boot style of shoe that I picked up. I was shopping on a website called Illicit Shoes. So if you don't know what they are, I'll go ahead and link her Instagram here. I have not worn these shoes yet, but I do have an outfit planned for these shoes. But I was looking for a combat boot that kind of resembled the chunky heel boot that everybody is wearing now. But I didn't want that particular one. So I found these. And oh my God, I will pop up a picture of, you know, maybe someone wearing it, because I'm not going to actually try it on right now. I've tried them on. I know they fit me, but I'm not going to try them on for this video. But look, it is a cute little chunky heeled, and it's black, and it has the, what is this color? Camel color. So it's like a two-tone color, and it zips up in the back. The shoes are very well constructed, and they're by the brand Bamboo. So I'm sure if you're familiar with the brand. That brand has been around for ages. But this is just what they look like. It's a gal ball. But yeah, I do have a cute little outfit I have planned for these. If you saw my Shein haul, I'll probably link it here. I have this cute little shacket, and I want to match these with that shacket. So that is why I have not worn that shacket yet. Because I wanted these shoes to go with it. So finally got these shoes in, and I love them. Now shipping was maybe about a week or two, but I mean, still, I wasn't in a rush to wear them, so it didn't matter to me. But yeah, these are the cute little combat boots. And again, they're by the brand Bamboo. And let me see if they have a name. Yeah, they're in the style Force 25. But again, I got them from a company called Illicit Shoes, and I probably paid about maybe $35 for these little combat boots. So the next pair of shoes that I got, still in the combat boot style, I got these for Christmas. My daughter bought these for me for Christmas, and she said she didn't like my other pair of Timberlands, but she didn't like the other ones that I had, so she bought me these. And so I was able to gift those away. But they are just this cute little combat boots here. And as you can see, the little Timberland logo. And I really love them. They are a bit heavy. It's a very bulky shoe. And if you know Timberlands, you know Timberland is bulky. So this has that very solid, bulky heel. But I love them. You'll see the picture over here somewhere. I wore these on Christmas, and you can see the outfit that I paired with it. Just a utility jumpsuit and this combat boot, and I think it was a very, very cute look. So yeah, I got the Timberlands for Christmas. So yeah, and I love these shoes too, because I owned a pair of Timberlands, but they were like a wrestling boot style of Timberland, and I mean, you know, they were old. I had them for like 6 or 7 years, so it was time for an upgrade. So I'm glad she upgraded me. Okay, now on to the Shoedazzle 70% off sale. Y'all know that I love me a Shoedazzle sale. And if you don't know what Shoedazzle is, y'all go ahead and Google it so that y'all can see that it's a subscription-based shoe site where you can buy shoes. Most shoes are $39.99, some are $44.95, something like that. But you do not have to purchase shoes every month. You can skip the month, and that's usually what I do. I'll skip the month, and then when I see that they're having a sale or something, then I'll go online and then I'll buy the shoes. I got a couple pair of boots that I did not have in my collection or that I got rid of. I did a closet clean out, so I got rid of some boots, and so I kind of replaced them. And then some of these boots I never had before in my life. The first pair of boots I got, y'all, this is probably gonna be my favorite boot of the haul. This boot, I worn it, and I'm gonna pop up a picture of me sitting down with the boot on, but the outfit was so cute. Oh my God, it was so cute. It was just simple, black and white. But this is the boot. It is a thigh-high boot. Like, look at this boot. This is the Lakeisha stiletto boot, and it's in the color bone. And I got this in the 8.5 because I do wear socks with my boots. But y'all, this boot is everything and then some. So yeah, I got this boot, loved it, got great compliments when I wore it. And I'm just in love. I'm just in love with the boot. I did go on the website again recently, and now these Lakeisha boots are they're a part of the $7 sale. So Shoedazzle is having a $7 sale. So these boots are now a part of that $7 sale. So now you can go on Shoedazzle, get these boots for $7, where I probably paid like $12 or $15 or however much. They were half off. But I mean, they were 70% off. So yeah. So if you're interested in these boots and if you like these boots, go to Shoedazzle's website now. I will link a code at the bottom. You can click that link and then, you know, you can save some money on your purchase and you can reward your girl with some money for some new shoes. So yeah, these are the boots. Lakeisha is her name. And you won't forget it with these boots. Okay, the next pair of boots that I got from Shoedazzle are going to be this boot, and it's called Brera is her name. Brera? Yeah, Brera. That's weird. Yeah, Brera. And it's in the color Cardivan. Now, y'all, I don't know what the color Cardivan is, but to me, it's maroon. As you can see, I'm pulling it out. It's just a maroon boot. Now, I do have a maroon boot, but I don't have a maroon thigh-high boot, and that is what this is giving. It is of a faux suede. There's a zipper on the side for easy access, and then you also have the drawstring in the back where you can, you know, tighten it or loosen it however you feel. Something, the paper got under my shirt. But yeah, this is super duper cute. Love this because I don't have a boot this color. I'm not going to take the other one out because you get the gist. The right one is the same as the left. But yeah, this cute little boot. And her name is Brera. Now, I have not been back on the website to see how much Brera is now. But like I said, if you're new to Shoedazzle, they'll send you your first pair of shoes for $10. And then the next pair, I think if you buy your first one, it's $10. Something, y'all Google it. Y'all know, because they're not paying me for this video, so y'all go Google it. The boots also come with extra heel tabs, so if you walk a lot or if you know hit some rocks or something in your boots, you can always replace your heel tab. So that is always good. So yeah, that is Brera. So the next pair of boots that I received from Shoedazzle they're called Macy, and they're in the color leather brown. So let's see what Macy looks like. I looked at the boots, but I have not tried these on. So Macy is just a short ankle boot with a little small heel, probably maybe about 3 inches tall. They have the zipper on the side, and this is like a leather boot. I don't have a coffee brown boot this color, or what color they saying it is? Leather brown. So I don't have a leather brown boot. So I picked this one up because it was on sale on clearance, and I probably got paid $13 for it. But yeah, you never can go wrong shopping for boots at the end of boot season because they're going to be so much cheaper. The last pair of shoes that I got came in a black box. So this must be part of a signature collection because it does come in a different colored box than the other ones. But this boot is called Sharon. And she's a red boot. It's called High Risk Red is the color. But the reason I got this boot is because I gave away a pair of red boots that I've been having for like 3 years. And they were kind of scuffed a little bit, so I needed a new one. So I went with Sharon. And Sharon is just this beautiful ankle boot. She zips on the sides, pointy toes, faux suede. But what attracted me to this boot was this cute little clear heel. So y'all, I'm a sucker for a clear heel. So this is what Sharon looks like. And if you like a clear heel, this is definitely the boot for you. Because then, you know, you can match it with pretty much anything red. You can use this boot as a pop of color. It has gold hardware. I mean, really cute. Love the boot. And like I said, I got these boots in a size 8.5, which I got. Let me look at my little sheet here. So I got all of the boots in a size 8.5. Yep, got them all in size 8.5 because again, I do wear socks with my boots. So if you are interested in any of these boots, leave me a message down below letting me know which boot or what tennis shoe was your favorite. Did you used to wear ponies when you were in high school? I mean, to my older girls, to my over 40 girls, or maybe some 30s. Did y'all used to wear ponies? Or was that just like a low budget shoe and I'm like making this all up? I don't know. But they were cute. I liked them. They make a statement and I love a statement shoe. So this will conclude this video, guys. If you're interested in this unit that I am rocking, yes, it is a unit. This is a wig, guys. This is the braided unit by We Queen. And I also did a video on it. I will link it here and it will also scroll at the end of the video. I got so many compliments on this unit already. They think it's mine and they think I went and got my hair braided. But no, I don't have that kind of time. Again, thank you for watching this video. I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.